Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel 99 Rates. In this video we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will see how Nifty and Bank Nifty moved today, and also we will try to find out the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session, which is a expiry. So let's see the analysis of Nifty. Here I am using Nifty 15 minutes chart. Our US today was above this trend line, we are bullish, that is we can plan a long, and that too above this level, above 19,700. Today market opened with a small gap up, tested this level, and from here it has given a straight rally of 100 points, where our targets are 17,780 and 19,820. Both targets were hit today. And after that Nifty went into range completely. After that we have seen some profit booking. So what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session? Since Nifty has bounced from this level, which is 19,600, that is we can think that the correction is, that is the profit booking is completed. But we need a confirmation. For the confirmation we need Nifty above this level, which is 19,825, and the support for Nifty for tomorrow's trading session is 19,700. So above this level we will plan a long in Nifty again tomorrow. Even if Nifty tests this level 19,700, from here also we will try to build a reversal, that is we will try to plan a long from this level also, because till yesterday, that is till today morning, this level 19,700 acted as resistance. Since today Nifty has given a breakout of this level, the same level will act as support now, which is 19,700. So what are the important levels for tomorrow's trading session? Above 19,825, our first target is 19,860, and the second target is 19,900, and below 19,700 only we will short Nifty. We can take it as 19,690. Then our first target will be this swing low, which is 19,660, and the second target will be this support area 19,620. These are the levels for Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. For any reason, if Nifty opens above this level or below this level, that is with some gap, then we have to wait for the fresh live data, and we will update you the live chart in the Telegram channel. To join our Telegram channel, please use the link in the description below. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty 30 minutes chart. You can see Bank Nifty was in this channel, in this parallel channel, for the past 7 trading sessions. Today we have seen a breakout of this channel and even tested this channel, and from here it has given a straight move of almost 300 points from this level. But we need a confirmation for the same. This level below this 45,940 will short Bank Nifty, and above this level 46,100 will long Bank Nifty. So what are the important levels for Bank Nifty tomorrow? Above 46,100, then our first target will be 46,200, this level, and our second target will be 46,300, this level. And what are the short positions? Below 46,940, our first target on downside will be 45,860 is the first target, and below this level our second target will be 45,780. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. For complete weekly analysis video, please check the link in the description below. For daily free live updates, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.